going to be a quick unboxing video. I'm going to actually unbox my new Biscuit race car box. I don't actually subscribe to this. This is like the one-off box, or you can pick and choose, which is what I do. You can pick and choose which samples you want to get, and then you can do that on a monthly basis if you want to, or just as and when. So let's have a quick look inside. There's your list of all your bits. A nice little thank you card saying about their social media. Tag on there. Alright, let's have a look, get some nice chips out of the way. Right, first one here is Duncan Biscuit Ceramic Quick Detailer. So we'll give that a go at some point. That was quite nice. I've never heard of this actually, this detailing company. So it might be, yeah, I've got a little Instagram and Facebook, so it might be a thing to have a look at that. And we've also got the Drunken Biscuit all-in-one polish. So quite nice. Just good, fair size products actually. These for like 100ml, and I think they're like £2 or £3 each. And then we've got the iron decontaminant there, which is a Go iron decontaminant. That must be what that's for there. Sorry, so I've used this on the wheels, but I like to use it on the paint panels as well. If it's a really dirty car, it gets all the actual iron deposits out of the paint. What we got here, Cosmic Detailer Wheel Detail. I think I got a couple of these, or maybe I didn't. Oh no, I got a couple of the actual quick detailers because I think they were on special offer. I think they were like less than £2. So I got a couple of those. Yeah, that's the wheel detailer, so we'll be using that hopefully in an upcoming project. Again, I got my favourite air freshener, which is the leather one. It's great for when you've got leather interiors. It gives it a really nice smell inside your car when you've just detailed it. Then we got the Detail Kitchen. Never heard of this make as well. This is a leather upholstery cleaner. Let's see if that smells of leather at all. Yeah, it does actually. It smells quite nice. That should be good. We'll try that again at some other point. Also Alchemy, another wheel cleaner. So I do clean a lot of wheels, as you can probably tell with all the wheel cleaning products. And then we got the F-Off Iron Fallout Remover. Again, it's another fallout decontaminant remover. So I like to use that. I usually use the Pro Clean Troll's Breath, but I've run out of that, so I thought I'd give this sample a go. I've had good reviews on this one actually. Again, it's another company I've not heard of before, Detail Freaks. So again, I have to do a little bit of research online, see what other products they do. This is an excellent way of actually testing products out. Instead of buying an entire like 20-30 quid tub, you can just test it, see if you like it, and make your decisions later on. Dodo Juice. I've used this on the Celica before. It's for the light colour paints, and this gives a really nice glossy finish. It's got a slight filler in the actual wax as well, so it hides some little light scratches and marring. So that's a really nice product. So that's pretty much it. So I think this box cost me approximately, I think it was about 20 quid including postage, and you've got some nice little samples there. And I think if you want to subscribe, I think the subscription on starts at like 15 quid a month. And you get like different surprise products. Like cloths and air fresheners and things like that. But like I said before, I like to go through and pick all my own different pieces and bits and pieces. Don't forget to give the Biscuit Race Car Box a look as well. You might want to join up on their subscription. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, so you know, I just like buying their samples to test out on my own cars and my own projects, etc. So I hope you liked this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.